division. First, out of the blue corner, from Fargo, North Dakota, please welcome Pablo Garza.
What Cambria? Tell him that Reed is putting him out of the light.
Pablo making his WEC debut right here in Colorado, bringing a record of 10-1.
No, 10-0.
Pablo Garza. Coming to us from Inner Mongolia, China, a fight that will be broadcast live to China from Colorado tomorrow night. First time ever. Let's give a warm welcome to the man they call the Mongolian Wolf, Tiefen Chang. So we got the Mongolian Wolf and the Scarecrow tomorrow night here in Colorado live, going to China. Congratulations, gentlemen. We look forward to that fight tomorrow night. All right, bout number 7 is a featherweight bout scheduled for 3, and you want to talk about two hard